Hey folks, welcome to Jimmy D's Guitar Lessons and Rock Talk. Today we are going to be talking about the guitar. You just got a guitar, you're not really sure what it does, what all the things are for, and what it's all about. So we are going to go over that. All right. This is my Truckster guitar. It's made by a company from ESP. It's an LTD model. It's the James Hetfield from Metallica Signature Series model. It's a cool guitar. This is the one that I've been playing a few of my videos with. And yeah, it rocks. So, okay, you get a guitar. We're just going to go through the basics part of it. So it's really broken down in a few areas. So you got your head here, your neck, and your body. That's it. Alright, thanks for watching. No, I'm kidding. Alright, so we're going to break down each section a little bit more into depth, okay? So I might have to take this off just so I can point it to the camera here. Like say, Jimmy D's Guitar Lessons Rock Talk. This is for you guys, so stay till the end of the video and I'll put up some links to some other videos, some lessons. You get some free lessons out from here. And everything that I'm playing, I'll put links down to the in the description of my page, and you can take a look at it. There's an opportunity to buy some stuff if you want through my Amazon account. Check it out. So we're going to talk about here the headstock. See that? That is the headstock. These are the tuning pegs. Sometimes they call them machine heads, tuning pegs. Mine are special on the back here. They're little locking ones. But not every guitar has these, and I will show some guitars, the back side of them, so you can kind of see maybe which ones you have. And that's the back side. It's probably what yours looks like here. Pretty simple. Just a little different style on the other one. That's it. But just like all the guitars, you tune them here and whatnot. So that's the headstock. This is a nut right here. See that nut there? That's where the strings kind of come down, down on an angle, and they go into your tuning pegs, so you can do some tuning with it, your string. Okay. Next, this is the neck. Okay. Some are 22 frets, some are 24 frets, depending on what you have. And on the neck, we have frets. These metal things are frets. And here are your fret markers, spaced out 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 12, on and on. Sometimes they don't have one here, but it's your fretboard. Okay. And here we got your body. Okay. And on the body, we got this is a cutaway here. I got some pickups right here called humbuckers. I'll show you another guitar. They got a single coil. This is fake. So James Hetfield did. He put this on as a guitar. So right here are your pickup selectors. These are your volume control, and they're your tone knobs. You can control the tones, the knobs. I usually just keep my tone all the way up when I'm playing guitar. Depending on which one I'm at, turn up. Volume is here. You do a volume swell. Cool. Okay. This here is the bridge. Strings go down it on the bridge, and there's intonation here. That's another video. That's a little more advanced. This is the tailpiece. Strings go through here, down here, and all around there. This is the jack here, where I plugged my amplifier into. This is pretty simple. These are straps, nuts. I use a locking strap, so it can go on here, it won't fall off. There's one here, or there's one here. The back of my guitar. In here is just the electronics all the wiring for the tone knobs and the volume control. Here, this one actually takes a battery, so it's battery. This is just a cover plate, so they could put that other this fake thing in here. You know, and that's pretty much basic part of the guitar. So I'm gonna grab another guitar and we'll take a look at that. But before I do that, you know, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, like it. If you want to subscribe, I try to put videos out every week. It'd be cool if you left some comments and you could tell me what you think of the videos or what you like to learn or see on there. This is your channel. I'm just here to help you guys out, but I appreciate it. Let me grab another guitar. Be right back. Alright, okay, this is my Ibanez. It's got the head, neck, and the body. This one's a little different. You know, it has a reverse headstock on here, which is really cool. This is just a little bridge up here to lock, to kind of keep the strings a little taut, a little to the head there. These are locking nuts. So when you start getting into guitars like this with a tremolo system, floating tremolo system, you're gonna have some locking nuts. I'm gonna do a video on, you know, changing strings on there, using the locking nuts, setting it all up, etc. So back here, we've got, you know, volume and tone knob, selector switches, you know, strap. So one thing here, we got tremolo. This is tremolo bar, whammy bar, whatever you want to call it. So this is the this is like a floating bridge. Try to get it close up as much as I can, but floating bridge. They sit in here. These are fine tuners here, so when you're tuning your note, you could just fine tune it, dial it in, and whatnot. This bar goes down, so you can do a dive bomb, or you can pull it up, whatnot. It's pretty cool. On the back of it, it's got a cover plate, and this is the there's springs in here. So when we get to the deeper dive of changing strings, when we set this guitar up, we're going to have to make adjustments and whatnot. It's pretty cool. It's out of tune, so good time for me to change strings. I'm going to grab another guitar and show you what the single coil pickup is. I'll be back. There's the whammy bar. I plug this one in. This one's in tune, so you do dive bomb. Bring it up. This one's pretty cool. So on here, I'm going to show you. These are different. So this is your humbucker, and these are your single coil pickups. See the single coil pickups? Pretty basic. All guitars are basically the same. You know, we have cutaway on the bottom here. We also have a cutaway at the top. The other guitar is just a different style of body, has a different shape. There's different fretboards, etc. So right, next video I'm going to do the acoustic guitar. It's pretty much the same parts. Anyways, you'll see that video right up here. Alright, thanks. You take care. Rock on.
Click like and subscribe. Please leave your comments below. Thanks for watching. Rock on.